Alright, we're going to look at volume today. So volume is how much 3D space something occupies. We normally measure it in terms of cubes of stuff because they're the simplest 3D shape, or one of the simplest 3D shapes. Saying the simplest to count and measure. So we've got a cuboid here which has 6 centimeters length, 3 centimeters back and 4 up. And I've drawn in this case, the centimeter cubes. So each of these cubes is 1 centimeter across, up and deep. So one way to find all of this is just to count them. But you can imagine that takes a heck of a lot of time and is super dull if you've got a large shape or a shape that's not nice and whole. So I'm going to try and break this into some other concept you can use for all shapes. We can think about this as having layers or slices that are all the same. So this top layer here is a rectangle. It's 1 deep, but that shape is a rectangle. And you know that a rectangle is made of rows. You've had that concept before in 2D. So rather than counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. And counting in threes is the same as the 3 times table, so it's just multiplication. So this top layer has 3 times 6, which is 18 up here. So this box here is 3 times 6, which is 18 centimeter cubes in the top layer. So we can count in 18s. This top layer has 18 in, this next layer has 18 more, which gets us 36. This has 18 more, which gets us 54, and this has 18 more, which gets us 72. And we've done in 18, we've done that 4 times. So what we've actually done is the top layer, and we've done that 4 times. So for a cuboid, it's fairly straightforward actually, the formula. Whilst it comes from this layering counting procedure, it's just that times that times that. Because they're all right angles, there's no holes, there's no curves, it's fairly straightforward. And you can do that in your head through a calculator. We've already done it. We know that that comes to be 72. The answer is not 72. The volume of this is that there are 72 centimeter cubes in this shape. Job done. Enjoy.